Phil started his hardscape business in 1985 with very little tools and solutions. So he came out with the quickie lifters to help the guys in the team get the pavers from the pallet over to the install field. And that part usually takes about 80% of your effort. His first passion was to help his team and his guys and his back. But what they found was they actually changed the whole structure of the job site. Before the lifters, what Phil and his team found was that there was two people hauling the pavers from the pallet over to the guy installing it, and that was typically one individual. With the lifters, they were able to make it so one person was hauling using the lifters to bring them over to two people installing, which increased their efficiencies by twice as much. We're going to be running through the top 3 systems for installing pavers, starting with the most economical option all the way up into the most advanced option. So starting with system number 3 from the hauling side. So getting the pavers from the pallet over to the installers, you have 2 options really. Set of lifters is more for your small pavers, so that's these 2 here. And those you're going to be able to pick a whole stack of pavers and bring them over. Now, as we all know, slab pavers are getting more common, so you need something to pick some of those larger format slabs. And in that sense, we would say the paver clamps are a great option to do so. Now, for laying those pavers into place, we'd recommend a paver puller. This is going to get you off your hands and knees, laying and standing upright, being comfortable, being able to maintain speeds throughout that whole entire project. So this is system number 3, most economical option, and a great start. Now we're going to get into system number 2. System number 2 is going to consist of the quickie slab. This is going to allow you to adjust to different materials quickly and efficiently, as well as pick some of those larger format slabs using an excavator. So that allows you to actually go from the pallet over to the installer in just one smooth move, with 2 people doing so. We still have our lifters as an option. Obviously, we always have a border paver, or typically we have a border paver. This will be a great option to pick those pavers up and bring them over to the installers. And then for our install, grabbing the pavers from stacks like you see here into the ground, we're going to use the MVP. That's a great solution, being able to stand upright, not bent over, pinching your fingers. You're taking those pavers off the stacks, putting them right in place. Cool thing about the MVP is there's other options that go with it as well. We have 2-man handle setups, machine packages, so they allow you to pick the product from the pallet right over and put them in the ground as well. So option number 2 is going to be a very common option for you and the great solution. Now the one you've all been waiting for is system number 1. System number 1 consists of a vacuum unit here and a multi-6. Multi-6 is going to allow you to install the pavers mechanically or front them and then use a vacuum unit to put those units into place. Now, you don't get to this option by not starting with some of the smaller options, the lifters and the clamps, to get to the multi-6. Ultimately, that's where we all need to go. If you want to see what the multi-6 clamp can do for you, how much more efficient it is than some of these other options, watch the video on the screen. And if you guys have any questions at all, please give us a call. Our staff would be happy to help you here at Pave Tool, 860-870-8665. You can send us an email or check us out on our YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook pages. Thanks for watching. See you guys next week.
You can sign up for our tip of the week here, or you can watch more of our videos here. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel here, and make sure you shop our products at pavetool.com. If you're located in Canada, you can shop at pavetool.ca.
Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to seeing you next Friday.